Mercedes-Benz just turned driving into the future with the new CLA-Class thanks to its mind-blowing AI-powered MBUX Virtual Assistant. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for all the tech news. Say goodbye to fumbling with your phone or punching buttons because this smart assistant can handle almost anything with just your voice. Hit a button on the steering wheel or say, "Hey Mercedes," and you can have a conversation with the car almost like talking to a human. Need directions to a parts store? It finds one, sets the route, and keeps you safe while driving. Craving burritos? It pulls up nearby restaurants with ratings. Want to check traffic, turn on heated seats, or even ask what the greatest Mercedes of all time is? It knows the answers and it's fast, casual, and conversational. Unlike old voice controls that force rigid commands, the MBUX Virtual Assistant taps into ChatGPT 4.0, Microsoft Bing Search, and Google Cloud's automotive AI agent. That means you can ask complex questions, get recommendations, and even interact like it's a real assistant. The good thing is it will get better over time by learning your habits and preferences, turning every ride into a personalized journey. For drivers in 2026 and ahead, AI assistants like this may become a must-have. The CLA-Class proves that the future of driving isn't just about horsepower or luxury. It's about smart, seamless, voice-controlled experiences that make your life easier, safer, and maybe even a little more fun. Mercedes just made your car feel a lot smarter. Are you ready for a ride? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.